Did you know that $1,000 invested in Amazon's IPO would be worth millions today? It's a staggering thought, isn't it? Just imagine the possibilities if you had made that investment back then. That's the magic of the stock market. It has the potential to transform modest investments into substantial wealth over time. It's not just a place for Wall Street suits. The stock market is accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or profession. It's a platform where everyday people can grow their wealth. Whether you're a teacher, a nurse, or an entrepreneur, the stock market offers opportunities for financial growth. Imagine turning your savings into $1 million fortune. It might sound like a far-fetched dream, but with the right strategy and knowledge, it's within reach. Sounds like a dream, right? But dreams can become reality with careful planning and smart investments. Well, with smart stock investments, that dream can become a reality. It's all about making informed decisions and staying patient. The stock market might seem intimidating at first. The sheer volume of information and the complexity of financial terms can be overwhelming. But don't worry, we'll break it down for you. We'll guide you through the basics and help you understand the key concepts. We'll explore how to navigate the stock market and uncover potential millionaire maker stocks. From identifying promising companies to understanding market trends, we'll cover it all. Get ready to unlock the secrets of wealth creation through strategic investing. With the right knowledge and tools, you can turn your financial dreams into reality. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Investing in the stock market is like buying a piece of a company. When you purchase shares, you are essentially buying a small part of that business. This means you have a stake in its future and its potential success. When that company profits, so do you. It's that simple. The more successful the company, the more valuable your shares become. This can lead to significant financial gains over time. You become a part owner, sharing in their success. This ownership can also come with voting rights, allowing you to have a say in important company decisions. It's a way to be more than just a consumer. You become an integral part of the business world. This is the beauty of stocks. They offer a unique opportunity to grow your wealth by aligning your interests with those of the companies you believe in. They offer a way to participate in the growth of innovative companies. By investing in stocks, you can support and benefit from the advancements and successes of cutting-edge businesses. Think of companies like Apple, which started in a garage and grew into a global powerhouse. Tesla, which revolutionized the automotive industry with electric cars. Or Google, which transformed the way we access information. They started small, but grew into giants, rewarding early investors handsomely. These companies have shown that with innovation and determination, exponential growth is possible. The potential for exponential growth is what makes the stock market so enticing. It's a place where dreams of financial independence can become a reality. Every dollar invested has the potential to multiply, especially when you choose the right companies. By making informed decisions and staying patient, you can watch your investments grow and secure your financial future. The journey to wealth begins with a single step, and that step could be your first investment in the stock market. But let's be real, the stock market isn't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a roller coaster ride. Prices go up and down, sometimes dramatically. This is what we call volatility. It can be scary for beginners, but experienced investors know it's part of the game. Another challenge is the sheer number of stocks available. Thousands of companies are listed, each with its own story. It's easy to get overwhelmed. How do you choose the right ones? That's where research and understanding come in. Don't worry, we'll guide you. Section 4, riding the wave of innovation, emerging industries and growth trends. One strategy is to focus on emerging industries. Think renewable energy, electric vehicles, artificial intelligence. These sectors are experiencing rapid growth, creating massive opportunities for investors. Companies at the forefront of these trends are poised for success. Another approach is to identify strong growth trends. For example, the rise of e-commerce has benefited companies like Amazon and Shopify. By spotting these trends early, you can position yourself to profit from their continued growth. Remember, early birds get the biggest worms. Section 5. Unveiling the gems, top stock picks for potential millionaires. In this section, we will delve into some of the most promising stocks that have the potential to turn savvy investors into millionaires. These picks are based on current market trends, future growth potential, and the overall health of the companies. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for. We have carefully analyzed various sectors and identified companies that stand out due to their innovative approaches, strong financials, and market positioning. While past performance is not indicative of future results, let's look at some companies with millionaire maker potential. It's important to remember that investing in stocks always carries risks, and it's crucial to diversify your portfolio to mitigate these risks. These are just a few examples, and it's crucial to do your own research before investing. Consulting with a financial advisor can provide personalized insights and help tailor your investment strategy to your individual goals and risk tolerance. Iberdrola SA, a Spain-based multinational electric utility company in renewable energy solutions, poised to benefit from the global shift towards clean energy. Iberdrola operates in the US, UK, Spain, Mexico, and Brazil, and has an international presence in Portugal, Greece, Japan, and Australia. With governments and corporations worldwide committing to reducing carbon footprints, this company is well positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for sustainable energy sources. NVIDIA, a pioneer in artificial intelligence, developing cutting-edge technology with wide applications. From healthcare to finance, AI is transforming industries, and this company is at the forefront of this revolution, making it a compelling investment opportunity. Shopify, a dominant player in the e-commerce space, constantly innovating and expanding its reach. As online shopping continues to grow, this company is leveraging its network and customer-centric approach to stay ahead of the competition. Remember, these are just starting points. The stock market is dynamic, and staying informed about market trends and company performance is key to making sound investment decisions. Thorough research and due diligence are essential before investing in any stock. By staying informed and consulting with financial experts, you can make more confident and strategic investment choices. Happy investing. Section 6, your blueprint to riches informed investing for a secure future. Becoming a millionaire through stocks is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. The key is to make informed investment decisions based on research and understanding of the market. Don't be afraid to start small. Every journey begins with a single step. As your knowledge grows, so can your investments. Remember, the stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistent, well-informed investments over time are the key to building lasting wealth. Section 7. Join the conversation, share your thoughts, and subscribe for more. What are your thoughts on these potential millionaire maker stocks? Do you have any other favorites you'd like to share? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips and strategies to navigate the exciting world of stock investing. Together, let's unlock the secrets to financial freedom and make those millionaire dreams a reality.